Curious about the beats that keep you alive? Dive into the world of heart sounds. Each heartbeat tells a story. The lub-dub sound you hear comes from your heart valves closing. First the lub, that's the mitral and tricuspid valves snapping shut. Then the dub, the aortic and pulmonary valves closing. When these sounds are clear, your heart's in good shape. But if you hear extra noises like murmurs, it could mean something's wrong. Listen closely, your heart's talking to you. Regular checkups can help you keep track of these vital sounds. Stay tuned for more medical insights and keep that heart beating strong. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fascinating medical facts.